Okay, welcome back to our fifth and final video. I'm going to show you how to check your timeline and make sure you have enough time. We need to make these videos between 10 and 15 seconds, I do believe. You can go up to 20. I think they can fine-tune it in the end. I do believe that's what the gentleman told me. But either way, it's very important for you to know how long your timeline is going to last, or your animation is going to last. Now, if in the animation frame, you can also hit the play button and watch the animation. And there's the slide in there. Now you can't see the whole frame because it's kind of in the way, but and it runs and runs and runs. If you're happy the way it is, then just have a little look up here. This is called the Playhead. You can slide the Playhead left and right, as well as you can move your mouse over the timeline here and slide left and right and do the same thing. Slide to the end of your animation and look at how many seconds it's going to run. It's going to run 9.22 seconds at 30 frames a second. You see that? Now, this is almost there. It's close enough because we can adjust it when we publish this to make it above 10 within the range that they're looking for. So let's go ahead and leave it as is. And if you need to shorten or lengthen your timeline, go back to the frame mode and just change your delays on some of your hold frames, the frames that you're going to hold on, to like from 2 seconds to 3 seconds here. I just added 1 second there, and then I'm going to do it as well right here under other 3 seconds here. I've just added 2 seconds. So instantly I've added 2 more seconds to the timeline using the frames animation, and you'll notice when I go to the end of the timeline, I am now at 11.22 seconds at 30 frames a second. So let's go ahead and publish this. When you are completely done, please, please, please go File, Save, and let it save as a Photoshop document. Because if you go and change to a JPEG or anything else, you're going to lose this entire timeline. Very important. After you've saved, go File, Export, and choose Render Video. So File, Export, Render Video. Let's do that again. File, Export, Render Video. And you're going to get this lovely window pop up here. They want everything in a .mov format, which is the default, which is a QuickTime video. So hit the .mov format and make sure it says QuickTime video right here. And down here at the bottom, notice you can set the frame rate. So if you were a little slow, like I had that 11.22 seconds at 30 frames a second. If I want my animation to last longer, I probably want to go a little slower on the frame rate. So I'm going to choose 24 just to get a little more time out of my animation from start to finish. That should bring it up to about 15 seconds. And that's up to you. You don't want to go really slow or really fast, but if you need to adjust it, fine-tune it right there, that's where you would complete that. And also under the size, it defaults, I think it defaults document size 600 by 800, which is perfect. That's what they want, 600 by 800. Don't change this to HDTV or any of these other settings. Just let it be the document size at 800 by 600. And then remember where you save it, folks. Remember where you save it. And then click Render. Now, I've already made a movie there, but I want to replace it. Now, it's going to take a while. Don't exit out of here. Some of your screens will lock up for a while. Just let it run, okay? When it's done running, go to that folder where you saved it, double-click the .mov file that you just created, and watch your video play. Simple as that. See ya.